So people, you see, recognize me by my head in my book. Yep. Oh, from page to page, there are stories that equip us for life. Stories that give us, full range of capacity and living help for our life. So, open a book. You'll delight in it, I assure you. From Benny the Bookbinder, have a very adventurous day.